It's your girl, Sammy, and back with another video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha, and today I'll be doing a little makeup, not makeup, but like everyday eye look type of thing. So if you guys didn't watch my recent video from yesterday, I'll put it up here somewhere, so make sure you go check it out if you haven't. And I'm filming these earrings, like, yeah, and they're looking cute. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys my little eye makeup. So let's just get into this video. So guys, the first thing I have is the Color Workshop Fuse eye makeup palette thing. You guys seen it on my channel before, so it's just basically these colors. And ignore that everything because I don't have a brush for it. So then I have this BB Natural eyeshadow palette. It's my favorite one. As you can tell, look at it. So I have this glitter palette, BB again, and then I have this Sweet Treats blush palette. I don't use blush, so I don't use blush. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing a little simple and natural, or like simple and natural eyeshadow look. So should I put my hair back? Okay guys, so I put my hair up in this like bobby pin thing, so let's just go. Okay, so for today's look, I'm gonna do I don't know what is this called? Harmony. I'm gonna do Harmony, this one right here. And I'm gonna do, let's do Harmony, let's do two paths, this one. Two paths. Okay, there's that. Okay, so I'm gonna just not talk, you guys can watch me, follow along, and yeah, so I'm not gonna talk. basically the final look. Basically the final look. So yeah, that's basically the finished look. It looks cute.
Yeah, it looks good. I just did excess glitter on my face, but ignore that.
So, but that's basically it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be a part of the family. You know, be a part of the family. So, I love you guys so much, and just hit that subscribe button. It's right there. Go watch my recent videos, and I love you guys so much.